Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Epic Games account in 2FA setup easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for an Epic Games account, open your web browser. Navigate to the Epic Games website. Locate the sign up button in the top right corner and click on it. You will be directed to a registration form. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and type it in the password field. Select your display name, which will be visible to others. Choose your country from the drop-down menu. Read the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Click the Sign Up button to complete the initial registration. Check your email for a verification message from Epic Games. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. Now, let's set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Return to the Epic Games website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Select the Password and Security tab on the left side of the page. Scroll down to the Two-Factor Authentication section. You will see several options for 2FA. Choose between the authentication app or email authentication. For an authentication app, download a reliable app such as Google Authenticator. Follow the on-screen instructions to link the app to your account. If you prefer email authentication, click on Enable next to that option. You will receive an email with a verification link for 2FA. Click the link to enable email authentication. Once you have set up 2FA, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, you are fully registered with your Epic Games account and have 2FA set up for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.